Hi, this is Jan from The Aging Nerd. This is part of the FFmpeg basic series of videos. Part 3, Re-encoding of a video file. Here we have some aquarium footage. I want to re-encode this video twice. Once to H.264 so it's compatible and will play on my iPad, and one to H.265 so it will save space on my computer. Right, let's open up a command prompt and we'll re-encode the video. First off, a directory listing with basic output to see what the file name is. We'll use the command FFmpeg -i to indicate the input file, the file name, now the encoder options, -c:\v libx264. -c:\v space libx264 basically means the codec for the video, please use libx264. This is a software encoder for H.264 built into FFmpeg. Now for the audio encoding. -c:\a indicates audio codec, and because we just want it the same as the original, all we have to use is the word copy. Now just insert the new file name, hit return, and FFmpeg will encode the video to H.264. And simply wait for the encoding process to finish. As you can see, by the bottom right hand of the screen indicates the speed. This video is roughly encoding at 2 speed, so for every 1 second encoding, 2 seconds of video were encoded. We'll encode now to H.265. It's exactly the same command apart from the encoder, which is libx265. Specify a new file name and hit return. If you notice, when this is encoding, it is only encoding at roughly 1 speed, which means basically real time. For every 1 second of video it takes 1 second to encode. But due to the greater efficiency of the codec, the file size is drastically reduced compared to the original, and the video encoded to 264. Let's go back into Windows Explorer and have a look at the file sizes. As you can see, the original AVI video was nearly 57 megabytes in total size. The H.264 encoded video was just over 21 megabytes in size, and the H.265 video was under 6 megabytes in total. The H.264 version of the file is compatible on Apple devices, whereas the H.265 and the AVI files aren't. I can now delete the original AVI version of the file, transfer the 264 version to my iPad, and keep the 265 version on my PC, thus saving around 50 megabytes on hard disk space. This has been Jan from The Aging Nerd. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Any questions, please put them in the comments.